Hello, and welcome back. As more employees return to the workplace, these are guidelines everyone must follow to safely navigate the COVID-19 world. The state of Maine has a thoughtful and strategic workplace reentry plan based on best available data and expert recommendations. Workplace safety begins before you leave your home. Be sure to perform self-health checks before coming into the office. Stay home if you've had symptoms such as cough, fever or chills, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, headache, muscle or body aches, new loss of smell or taste, sore throat, diarrhea, nausea or vomiting, congestion or runny nose. If you have had symptoms within the past 48 hours which cannot be explained by a known non-contagious condition, please stay home. If you are not reporting to your workplace, be sure to notify your supervisor. And if you're not sure your symptoms are related to COVID-19, use the self-checker tool on the Center for Disease Control's website. This can help you decide when it may be best to seek medical attention. If you believe you are symptomatic, have been exposed, are being tested, or you have a diagnosis of COVID-19, please contact your human resources representative to let them know. And be sure to contact your healthcare provider for further instructions. Anthem subscribers have access to the 24/7 Nurse Line, as well as Live Health Online, a telemedicine tool. More information is available from Employee Health and Wellness. Supervisors, be sure to refer symptomatic employees to your human resource representative. If you're returning to your workplace as advised by your supervisor, you'll be asked to follow enhanced protective guidance to safely navigate the COVID-19 world. Wearing a face covering is required of all employees when entering the workplace and any time you move around the office. If your agency has additional rules around wearing face coverings, be sure to follow those specific work rules. Follow any signs of guidance for entry and exit from the workplace. Some workplaces may restrict stairways and hallways to one-direction traffic. Be on the lookout for signage in any state building you visit, and to comply with all posted directions for stairways, hallways, and elevators. Let any family members or friends who visit you at work know they are not permitted in any non-public state work areas. Physical distancing guidelines will remain in effect. Keep a minimum of 6 feet from others at all times. In many buildings, it may not be possible to remain 6 feet apart when passing someone in the hall. This is okay. Be sure you are wearing your face covering and just keep on moving. Don't stop to chat. Be mindful of others around you. Don't linger near coworkers' workstations. It may make them uncomfortable. Give coworkers a friendly reminder if they are not practicing physical distancing. If a coworker reminds you, don't take offense. It takes time for all of us to learn these new habits. Remember, be kind, be patient, and be compliant. We recognize in these unprecedented times you may feel overwhelmed. If you are struggling, resources are available to you. The Living Resources program can connect you to a counselor to talk to. Or, if you prefer, there are helpful articles on their website. A link to the Living Resources website can be found on the Employee Health and Wellness website. All break rooms will have signs posted which limit the capacity to comply with physical distancing. Many break rooms will no longer have seating available. If physical distancing is not possible, the break room may be closed. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with hot soapy water throughout the day, both at work and at home. It is especially important to wash hands after being in public places and after blowing your nose, sneezing, or coughing. Soap and water not available? Use a hand sanitizer with a minimum of 60% alcohol content. Do you have out-of-state travel plans? Be sure to comply with restrictions and requirements in place for business and personal travel. Requirements are outlined in the Governor's Executive Order, which you can find at maine.gov/governor/mills. It is important to notify your supervisor and human resources if you are traveling outside of the state. Out-of-state travel may impact vacation requests, and it may require quarantine upon return. Your Human Resources Office can provide more information regarding these policies, as well as guidance to managers and supervisors about handling non-compliance. Additional guidance and frequently asked questions can be found on the DEF's COVID-19 website. With everyone's help, we can all stay safe and healthy in our workplaces. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.